Hello, this is Serena Byer, also known as KC Hoop Girl. I am a hoop fitness and dance instructor, as well as an entertainer in Kansas City, Missouri. I have classes 5 times a week and you're welcome to join. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do a vertical hand spin, and that'll tie into my other video on how to do quarter turns. But let's start with the vertical hand spin. I'll demonstrate the vertical and compare it to an overhead hand spin. This is a vertical hand spin. Notice that my palm is up, 12 o'clock position. And this is what it looks like. I'm just standing and rotating the hoop around my hand. I'm actually rotating the hoop around the cradle of my thumb and index finger. You see, it's right in the cradle of my thumb and index finger. Now, an overhead hand spin is a similar move, but it's overhead and it's horizontal. It's what I call an horizontal overhead hand spin, just like it is. So to do a vertical hand spin, you simply start with your palm up at 12 o'clock position. You're gonna wind your wrists. You wanna wind your wrists like this. And then you're gonna throw the hoop forward while you open your hand. You're gonna let the hoop roll over the bridge of your hand. It's gonna roll right over the bridge of your hand, and your hand will be open so that it just finishes right in the cradle of your hand. Now, the key to making that happen smoothly is to not open your hand until you're in a thumb down position. So here you are winding, and you wind all the way till you're in thumb down position. Little finger is up and thumb is down. It's at that point, you go ahead and open your hand and let it roll across the bridge. Now, as you're doing this, you're winding. That gives you some motion, some power for the hoop to continue moving when you open your hand. So it's wind, thumb down, throw, and open. So wind left and right, and then throw down and open. I'll do it towards you. Wind, thumb down, throw, and open. It's really a simple trick. Now, a couple of tips. One, keep your hand down here around your waist when you do this. You can face the hoop like I'm facing it now, or you can turn to the side and do the same thing. Wind, throw, and open. But notice how my arm is in an L-shaped position. And my arm is tight. It's not loosey-goosey. My hand is tight. It's not loose. And if you're, kind of weak in your arms, then use your elbow anchored on your waist to get some leverage. So I've got that arm bent. The elbow is against the waist. I wind, open, and throw. And that anchoring that elbow to my waist is giving me some leverage to keep the hoop spinning smoothly and not wonky like this. This trick is just great for hand-to-eye speed and agility, toning the arms, but this trick opens the door to 1,000 other tricks, of which you can find my videos about on YouTube, KC Hoop Girl on YouTube. So that's the basic of vertical hand spin. Wind, wait till your thumb is down, open, and throw. And then keep that arm tight. As that hoop comes over the bridge of the hand, you just give a little move, a little push, a little help to keep that hoop spinning smoothly. And you can practice, I would start this trick again at waist level with an L-shaped bent arm, but you can also practice it up around your eye level. You can go higher than that. And if you can do a basic vertical handspin, then that opens the door to tricks such as a clover, just a fun clover. Or you can easily turn that handspin into a weave by grabbing the hoop as it comes over the bridge of the hand, turning to the side, and just doing figure eights. And if you want to go back to a hook handspin, you're just going to open your hand when it's on the side of your body. I'll cover alternating from handspins to weaves back to handspins in a different video. But wanted to hit this vertical handspin with you because I really want you to watch my video on quarter turns, because this is the basic start of being able to do quarter turns. So again, remember, palm up, 12 o'clock position, wind, and you're winding towards the inside of your body. If you're in your right hand, you're gonna throw it to the inside of the body, which is left or counterclockwise. If you're in your left hand, as you wind, you're gonna throw it to the right side of your body or clockwise. It's a forward vertical handspin. Now, you can do a vertical handspin backwards. Here it is backwards. And of course, anything you do in one direction, you can do another, but also anything you do with your left side, you can do with your right, and vice versa. But I think there's more options on tricks that you can move into with a forward vertical handspin than a reverse backward vertical handspin. But there are lots of tricks both ways, and that's what makes it so much fun and allows you to have lots of flow. Okay, well, if you have any questions, reach out to me, kchoopgirl.com, kchoopgirl@gmail. You can also join the KC Hoop Girls Facebook group. Just look us up, and you're welcome. Lots of tutorials on that. We announce when we're having free hooping events. I bring the hoops and the fun and the music, or sometimes there's a live band. So stay in touch, and I look forward to hooping with you. Talk to you later.